I wish I could just stand here like this.
Oh, it's perfect. Red, white, and
Robert,
in order.
But Robert has a cold hose!
Just singing in the rain. Just
singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling.
Oh, God.
I'm cold again! It's actually not that bad. I'm actually surprised.
But it's been so warm out lately, that's why.
Turn around! Shut up!
Quiet!
You were getting belligerent last year.
Quiet! This is a library!
Indeed!
Quiet! This is a library!
Oh, no! Oh, good.
make another false flag.
It's actually not as bad as I thought it was going to be.
Turn around.
Turn around again? All the way or halfway like this?
Halfway is good for now, I
Never
think.
do anything half-cocked.
Whoa. Oh dear, that'll never do.
Quarter
Why
turn.
do you think it's permanent amendment?
Permanent amendment.
Oh dear, that'll never stay. We'll just have to have a permanent.
Oh God, 12 of them.
Oh my god,
Alright, do a little supermodel like 3 or 4 turns in a row.
Okay, now turn to the left.
Yeah.
Now turn to the right.
Hey.
Sashay. Shantae. Supermodel. Work. On the world. Work.
Yeah. Yo, one hop this time. 2 hops this time.
Alright, you're good.
Well, what about his shoes or like the back of his shirt there?
You should step forward.
Okay. There you go. Clean off
Oh,
the shoes.
good. Oh, Brady's and Lendelman. This is the detail job.
Oh my God. Watch the ears. Watch the ears. Yeah. You're soaking his pool equipment.
Hey, George Cullen always said you have to clean every hole, right?
Oh.
Armpits, asshole, crotch, and teeth.
All you really need to do is to wash the 4 key areas. Armpits, asshole, crotch, and teeth. Got that? Armpits, asshole, crotch, and teeth.
Yep. And teeth. Whoa. Watch for the camera.
Oh, God. Let's go.
Rob's just showing examples of water sports. What?
Har. Okay. Are we good?
You're good, man.
I think it's time for a run for the pool. Here, fix the hose kind. Oh, it's knackered? I'll fix it later.
You know, Jay, you gotta go wait for it to rust down a year, right?
Well, yeah, I don't know how long it's been.
It's been 6 years.
That long?
Yeah, 2012.
Okay, let's regroup and we'll get ready to jump in the pool. Okay, we're all done. It's time for the pool! It's time for the pool!
Stand beside her.
And the flag is all fucked. There we go. It's a plasticky one anyway.
Isn't that the turn away?
Something like that. Where the hell is my hat? Oh, goody! I love that kind. Ah. So, anyway, that all sucked. Happened too fast this year, but At least it was light out this time, you know?
Yeah, it was actually
Not-
sunny out today.
Yeah, it actually worked out.
Beautiful
as far
day
as the
today.
weather and everything else. We didn't have that luxury last year. So.
No, we didn't.
Anyway, the flag sunk.
Must have hit an iceberg.
Does that mean you
I
have
would
to take?
think-
Wait. Does that mean you have to take it to the hit the bomb and burn it later?
No, I don't think it will because it's wet, you know? I don't know. Because the flag is just,
We'll pick it up. Defy gravity, why don't you?
yeah. I got it.
There you go.
It's like it won't even, all right, we're just wasting film on the 907. Anyway,
Yeah.
there you go, folks. Get yourself slimed. I have videos on how to do it, kind. It only took 6 hours of preparation and trying to get people to do things they didn't want to do, so I love that kind. That's why it's called tradition. We'll see you next time.